A very good morning to all of you dear students. As you know that as the government guideline, we are going to start our online classes. So now as you know that today math class is there. So 9th A and 9th B, I am teaching as you know that, and 9th C the Arun sir is teaching. So 9th A and 9th B already I studied in chapter 13, surface area and volume. But 9th C didn't start now. This is surface area and volume. So the 9th A and 9th B, 13.1 exercise, 13.2 and 13.3 and 13.4 are belongs on the surface area, and that I all done the whole exercise in the 9th A and 9th B, and the remaining now remain 13.5, 13.6, 13.7 and 13.8. 4 exercise belongs to the volume based on the volume of 3D figures. तो ये जो एक्सरसाइज है वो वॉल्यूम के बेस पर है. सो नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 13.5 based on the volume of the 3D figure. So that exercise also remaining in that 9th and 9th B and 9th C also. Now today we start 13.5. The remaining exercise 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 and 13.4 will be completed in the next class. Separately I will prepare the video for you, then I will share there. So you just don't take tension, just clear out your doubts from there. So now today we are going to start exercise 13.5. So anyone from you can tell me what is volume? Volume means anyone from you can tell me, explain me that what is volume? So okay, so the volume means a thing, whatever space is whatever air is there present in this thing, whatever the liquid or whatever anything whatever present in the thing, that is known as the volume of that given thing. मतलब कोई भी अगर दिया हुआ है आपको, क्यूब है, क्यूबॉइड है, उसके अंदर कितनी क्वांटिटी आ सकती है, क्वांटिटी ऑफ दैट थिंग, उसकी क्वांटिटी क्या है, व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ एनी फिगर और थिंग इज नोन एज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट थिंग. किसी भी थिंग की जो कैपेसिटी है दैट इज नोन एज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द थिंग. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट आवर वॉल्यूम फ्रॉम the volume of cube and volume of cuboid. So as you know that cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. There are three sides cuboid. Length is represented by L, breadth is represented by B, and height is represented by H. So the volume of cuboid is L into B into H, and इसके बीच हमेशा आता है यूनिट क्यूब. जो भी इसकी यूनिट है सेंटीमीटर और मीटर व्हाटएवर, सो वी कैन राइट लाइक सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और मीटर क्यूब, सेम एज इट इज दिस इज क्यूबॉइड. ओके, एंड द सेकंड थिंग ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब, this known as cube, and cube has only one thing, side. So the volume of cube is equals to side multiply side, or we can say that side cube or unit cube, whatever is there, unit cube. So this is the formula to find out the volume of cube and the volume of cuboid. So in this exercise 13.5 only two things are there, volume of cube and volume of cuboid. So first of all just take the screenshot and write this formula in your notebook. 9th C just start from 13.5, 4, 13.4, 13.3 and 2 and 1 I will solve in the, after some days. So just start from 13.5 and write this formula, and now after that we will start the questions. Okay students, so now we are going to start exercise 13.5. So the first question of the 13.5 is like this. A matchbox measure 4 cm into 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of the packets containing 12 matchbox? मतलब एक matchbox है. The dimension of the matchbox are given. The length is given 4 cm, the breadth is given 2.5 cm, and the height is given 1.5 cm. The dimension will be given like this: 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. This is the dimension. The first one is length, the second one is breadth, and the third one is height is given. What is the volume of a packet such that 12 matchbox are there? So first of all we will find out the volume of the one matchbox. This is the volume of one box. This is the volume of one box. I just know that the volume of matchbox is length multiply breadth multiply height. Matchbox is shaped like a cuboid. Cuboid का shape होता है. So length multiply breadth multiply height, then 4 multiply 2.5 multiply 1.5, then your answer will be 15 centimeter cube is the volume of one matchbox. Volume of one box. Okay. So now the question is saying that there are 12 matchbox. How many? There are 12 matchbox are there. So we have to find out the volume of 12 matchbox. So the total volume of 12 matchbox is equals to 12 multiplied 50, then 180 centimeter cube. This is our first question, and I hope you understood very well. So the second question: a cuboidal water tank 6 meter long and 5 meter wide, 4.5 meter deep. How many liter of water can hold it? एक cuboidal water tank है, इसकी length given है 6 meter, breadth is given 5 meter, and the height is given 4.5 meter. These three things are given, and we have to find out the volume of the tank in liter. Liter में आंसर फाइंड करना है. So first of all, the volume of the tank is length multiply breadth multiply height, 6 multiply 5 multiply 4.5, then we will get 135 meter cube. In the question is given like this: 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So 135 multiply 1000, 135,000 liter of water can hold in this tank. इसके अंदर इतना पानी आ जाएगा. So I hope you understood. So just take the screenshot first. Okay, students, so the next question number third: a cuboidal vessel 10 meter long and then 8 meter wide. How much height will be made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquid? मतलब एक cuboidal tank है. Tank is there, cuboidal tank, and the length and the breadth is given. The length and the breadth is given. Length is given 10 meter and the height is given. Sorry, the breadth is given 8 meter. And the question is saying like this: the volume of the tank is given. Volume of the tank is given 380 meter cube. The volume is given, and we have to find out what is the height of this tank. This tank की height क्या होगी? So as you know that the volume of the cuboidal is volume equals to length multiply breadth multiply height. The volume is given 380 meter, length is 10, and the breadth is 8 into h as it is, because we have to find out the value of h. It means height we need to find. So 10 multiplied is 80, 80 will be changed in division. So h equals to 380 upon 80. After the cut, we will get 4.75 meter height. The height of the tank is 4.75 meter. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Next is the fourth one. Again the same question. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit of 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, and 3 meter deep at the rate rupees 30 per meter cube. It means we have to dig a cuboidal pit. Cuboidal shape का pit अपने को बनाना है, and the length is given 8 meter, the breadth 6 meter, and the height is 3 meter. So first of all, we will find out the volume, because the rate is given the volume. So we will find out the volume. The volume is length multiply breadth multiply height, 8 multiply 6 multiply 3, then we will get the volume is 144 meter cube. So now the cost is given rupees 30 per meter cube. So we will make the multiplication of the volume and the cost. So the total cost it will make to dig this pit is 144 multiplied 30. Then answer is 4,320 we need to make this cuboidal pit. So I hope you understood. So just take the screenshot first. Okay, students. So the next question number fifth is there. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. Find the breadth of the tank if the length and the deep is given 2.5 meter and 10 meter. So the question number 4. The volume of the tank is given in liter. The volume of the tank is given in the liter, 50,000 liter. So first we have to change this liter in meter cube. So as you know that we know that 1 meter cube equals to कितना होता है 1000 liter. So 50,000 upon 1000, then 50 meter cube is our volume. First of all, we have to change the volume in the meter cube, because the length and the height is given in meter. That's why we make the division of 50,000 and 1000. Then we will get 50 meter cube is the volume of the tank in meter. Okay. So now we have the volume of the cuboid is, as you know, that length multiply breadth multiply height. The volume is given 50, length is 2.5, breadth is not given, height is 10. 2.5 multiplied then 25. So breadth is equals to 50 upon 25, then 2 meter is our answer. The volume of, sorry, the breadth of the tank. The breadth of the tank we already got it. So this is our answer. So next question number 6 is very important due to the exam view. Okay. So the question number 6 is like this: a village having a population 4,000, मतलब एक village की population कितनी है 4,000 people है, and they used 150 liter water per head per day, मतलब एक आदमी जो है एक दिन में 150 लीटर वाटर यूज करता है. So a tank is measuring there 20 meter and 50 meter and 6 meter. How many days will the water this tank last? इसके अंदर कितने दिन इस वाटर के अंदर इस टैंक है इसके अंदर पानी भरेगा, तो कितने how many days कितने दिन तक पानी चलेगा. So first of all we will find out whatever water is used in one day of whole members, मतलब जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं गांव के वो कितना पानी यूज करते हैं. सो एज यू नो द वाटर यूज पर डे पर पर्सन इज 150 लीटर. सो कितने पीपल्स हैं वहां पे 4000 पीपल, तो द टोटल वाटर यूज इन वन डे फॉर 4000 पीपल कितना आएगा 4000 मल्टीप्लाई 150 देन 6 lakh लीटर ऑफ वाटर आर यूज फॉर दिस विलेज वन डे. एक दिन में इतना पानी यूज करते हैं. सो दिस इज इन लीटर. सो वी नो दैट 1 मिलियन इक्वल्स टू होता है 1000 लीटर. सो 60000 sorry 6 lakh upon 1000 then 600 meter cube water used from the village. This village से इतना पानी यूज होता है. So now we will find out the dimensions of the tank is given, length of the tank is given. So we will find out the volume of the tank. एक बार इसको फिल करते हैं कितना वॉल्यूम आएगा. length multiply breadth multiply height then 180 meter water will fill this tank. इसके अंदर इतना पानी आएगा. अब वो इतना पानी आएगा तो एक दिन में लोग कितना यूज कर रहे हैं 600 मीटर क्यूब. सो द नंबर ऑफ डेज इसको एक बार करने पर कितने दिन तक चलेगा. नंबर ऑफ डेज इज 1800 upon 6000 and 3 days. Means if once we fill this water tank then it will be used in 3 days. वो 3 दिन तक चलेगा because the total people are 4000 and they are using 150 liter each. So the total water used is 6 lakh liter. So we will convert in meter cube. Then 6 lakh upon 1000 and 600 meter cube is our volume. Whatever is used by the peoples of the village. So now we have to find out the number of days. So for this we will find out the volume of the tank. The volume of the tank is length multiply breadth multiply height and 180 meter cube is the volume of the tank. Total volume of the tank. तो एक बार कितना यूज होगा तो 1800 upon 600 and it will be used of 3 days. 3 दिन तक चलेगा. So let's take the screenshot first. Okay students, so the next question number 7 is the wrong block. The question number 7 is the wrong block. So now I will solve the question number 8. Question number 8 will be like this: a solid cube of side 12 cm cut into the 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. It means that solid cube is given. The side of the cube is 12 cm and it's cut into 8 equal cubes of volume. 8 equal cubes of volume. So we use the condition of the both of the volume is equal. It means अगर एक बड़ा क्यूब है उसके there are 8 pieces. The 8 pieces of volume is equal to the whole volume of this cube. एक बड़े वाले का volume इसके 8 के equal होगा. So first of all the side is given 12 cm. So that the side of the new cube is x centimeter. So we use the condition like this: the volume of big cube is equal to 8 multiply the volume of smaller cube because there are 8 pieces. The volume of big cube is size cube, then 8 into side cube. Here also the side is given 12 cube and 8 multiply side will add already x, the x cube. So 12 multiply 12 upon 8 is equals to x cube. Then we will cut from the table of 2. Then we will get 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. It means the answer will be like this: x cube equals to 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. Then x cube equals to 6 cube. Then cube and cube will be cut. So our x is 6 meter. Means centimeter. The side of the new cube is 6 centimeter. So now the question is saying like this: find the ratio of the surface area of the big cube and the smaller cube. बड़े वाले और छोटे वाले की surface area का ratio find करना है. So 4 dot side square equals to 4. The surface area of cube का जो surface area होता है that is 4 dot side square होता है. और दोनों cube भी हैं तो 4 dot side square. 4 and 4 will be cut. This 4 will be cut to side square. Side of the middle cube is 12 given, then the 12 square and decided what is smaller will be 6, and 6 the 12 into 12 upon 6 into 6, then the answer is 4 upon 1, then the final answer is 4 ratio 1. Okay, so the question number 7 is your homework. One more last question is remaining, so that I will solve now. Just take the screenshot first. Okay students, so the next question number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? 1 मिनट में जो है पानी से के अंदर कितना पानी गिरेगा, मतलब रिवर है, it is the shape of a cuboid की shape की. The water is flowing at the rate, some rate is given, and how much water will be in sea in 1 minute. 1 minute में कितना पानी गिरेगा. So first of all, the height of the river is given 3 meter and the width is given 40 meter. So we have to find out the length of the river. First of all, we will find out the length of the river. So length means speed and time is given. So we can find the distance. Distance. What is the formula of distance? Speed into time is the distance. So 2 into 1 then 2 kilometer is the length of the river. But the distance is 2 kilometers. Kilometer we have to change the meter. So first of all we will change here also. Actually problem is actually here. Whatever the time is given in minute and the speed is kilometer per hour. So first of all 2 multiply 1000 upon 60. It is our speed. So now just solve here. Time is equals to the speed into time. So speed equals to 2 multiply 1000 upon 60 into time is given 1. This is meter per minute. ये क्या होगा मीटर पर मिनट में, किलोमीटर को मीटर में करने के 1000 and for the hour it will be 60. So change here 0 0 will become 2 1 2 3 6, which means the distance is 100 upon 3 meter is our distance, and this distance is known as the length of the river. इसी को हम कहेंगे length of the river. So now we have to find out the volume. So as we know that the volume is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. So the volume of river, whatever 100 upon 3, and the breadth is given 40 and the height is 3 will be cut. So the volume is 4000 meter cube of the river. Okay, if you have to convert the volume in the liter, then volume is equal to 4000 upon 1000. Then 4030 will be cut. The answer is 4 liter, because we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So for this, if we want to convert the water in the liter, quantity of the water in liter, then we will make the division of the 1000, then we will get 4 liter. This is the most important question, because in this question speed and time is given. So first of all we will change the speed in meter per minute, then we will find the distance, and this distance is known as the length of the river. Then we will find the volume of the formula, and we can find the volume of the river. So I hope you understood the exercise 13.5 very well. So if you are having any doubt, then you can ask on the Google Meet. In the next class we will start 13.6 exercise. So 9th C resistance start from 13.5. The remaining exercise I will solve in the next remaining pages. So just write. If you are having doubts, then you can ask. Thank you.